Okay, hopefully you're reading my notes before you watch the videos, and on the table of contents there you would have saw to stop watching at 12 minutes and 30 seconds because after that I accidentally made an error. I replied to this fictitious student's post on the same site or in the same area, so my reply came from them. So here's a good way for me to show you how to edit stuff, but then I'll show you the proper way to reply to someone's post on your website. So the assumption here is that you are the user, so you are me, and we noticed that there's a comment on here either we don't like, or in this case was just a total error. So I'm going to get into the admin, get into the dashboard. So again, just come up to my address, and after the .com add the word admin, which will prompt me to log in. And then once we're inside the dashboard, we want to go to comments because that's where the error was at. And we see one of these comments is okay, the other one we want to delete. So this is the comment that is the error. So I'll just highlight or rub my mouse over the top here and then just trash that comment. Okay. And this also happens to be the same area that you would want to reply to someone's comment on your blog. So in other words, this person left us a question. How'd you make that image? So we'll reply here. Go ahead, put our response in, hit the reply button, and then when we go back out and check our website, this is what we'd see on this particular theme. Look at the two comments, and now it makes more sense. There's my original blog post, here's a response from a student, and then here's my reply answering their question. Now, pretend again you're just any old user. You're no longer pretending that you're me. You come to the site. You can click and reply to anything here. I mean, first of all, you can make a comment on this blog just in general by clicking here and replying to this particular post, which has to do with the main post. Or you could reply here, and then it would be tucked in here where you're kind of almost starting like a secondary conversation about the image. So that's the difference. So the error that I made in the last video was that I clicked here to reply to Chris, but that's where a user would reply. You want to reply to your replies inside of the dashboard like I just showed.